Creating a signature scent, DIY natural perfume. Title: Creating a signature scent, DIY natural perfume. Introduction: 100 words. Scents have the unique power to stimulate our senses, invoke memories, and even define our individuality. Creating a signature scent is a personal and rewarding experience that allows you to craft a fragrance that perfectly reflects your personality. While commercial perfumes dominate the market, DIY natural perfumes offer a way to create unique and eco-friendly alternatives. By using natural ingredients and essential oils, you can customize your fragrance without synthetic chemicals. In this article, we'll explore the art of creating a signature scent through DIY natural perfume and guide you through the steps to unleash your creativity. 1. Understanding the basics of scents, 200 words. Before diving into the world of perfume making, it's important to have a basic understanding of scents. Fragrances consist of 3 layers: top notes, middle notes, and base notes. Top notes are the initial scents that hit your nose, while middle notes give the fragrance its essence. Base notes are the longest-lasting scents that linger after the top and middle notes have evaporated. By understanding this layering strategy, you can start planning your DIY natural perfumes composition. 2. Selecting the right ingredients, 300 words. The first step in creating a signature scent is selecting the right ingredients. Natural perfumes rely on essential oils and carrier oils as their main components. Essential oils are highly concentrated extracts from plants, flowers, and resins, providing the scent profile for your perfume. Carrier oils, on the other hand, dilute the essential oils and help them blend easily with the skin. When choosing essential oils, consider their individual scent profiles and how they complement each other. Experiment with various combinations until you find a balance that best resonates with you. Some popular choices include lavender, rose, bergamot, jasmine, sandalwood, and citrus oils like lemon and orange. 3. The art of blending, 400 words. Creating a signature scent involves blending various essential oils to achieve a unique combination. Start by making small test batches to find the perfect balance. Mixing too many scents may result in an overpowering fragrance, so it's advisable to start with a maximum of 3 to 4 oils. Remember, creating a signature scent is a personal art, and there are no strict rules to follow. Trust your senses and experiment until you find the perfect blend. To start, measure your essential oils using pipettes or droppers. Experiment with various ratios and make notes to keep track of your combinations. Begin with your chosen base notes, followed by middle and top notes. Allow the blend to settle for a few days to fully develop its true scent. This resting period also allows the alcohol or carrier oil to bind with the essential oils. 4. Dilution and carrier oils, 300 words. Once you have perfected your essential oil blend, it's time to dilute it using carrier oils. Carrier oils, such as almond oil, jojoba oil, or fractionated coconut oil, serve as a neutral base for the fragrant essential oils. These oils also help moisturize the skin and provide a longer-lasting scent. Remember to take into account the desired strength of your fragrance when deciding the ratio of essential oils to carrier oil. For a more concentrated perfume, go for a lower carrier oil ratio. If you prefer a lighter scent, increase the amount of carrier oil in your blend. 5. Storing your perfume, 200 words. To preserve the essence of your DIY natural perfume, store it in a cool, dark place away from sunlight and heat. Amber glass bottles are perfect for this purpose as they protect the fragrance from light exposure. Additionally, always ensure your bottles are tightly sealed to prevent oxidation and preserve the scent. 6. Wearing and enjoying your signature scent, 200 words. Once your DIY natural perfume is complete, the best part begins: wearing and enjoying your signature scent. Apply your perfume on pulse points, such as the wrists, behind the ears, and at the base of your throat. These areas produce heat, which helps release the fragrance throughout the day. As natural perfumes interact with your body chemistry, the scent will evolve over time, making it truly unique to you. 7. Exploring additional techniques and tips for DIY natural perfume, 380 words. One such technique is the concept of layering scents. Layering involves wearing multiple fragrances together to create a more complex and unique blend. You can experiment with mixing different perfumes you have created or even combine a commercial perfume with your DIY natural perfume. This allows you to create a one-of-a-kind scent that truly represents your personality. Additionally, consider incorporating fixatives into your perfume formula. Fixatives are substances that help slow down the evaporation of the fragrance, allowing it to last longer on the skin. Some popular natural fixatives include vanilla extract, benzoin resin, and oak moss. You can experiment with small amounts of these ingredients to see which ones work best for your scent and desired longevity. To add a personal touch to your DIY natural perfume, you can also consider creating custom labels or packaging. This not only adds visual appeal but can make it feel even more special when gifting your perfume to loved ones or when using it yourself.